Hi, I'm Emily Runyan. I am the founder of Tennessee Mental Wellness. I started this practice with one goal, and that is to help people truly heal and transform from emotional pain, relationship pain, and trauma. I know how heavy that pain can feel, but I also know that our brains have the ability to heal, and our team of therapists are here to help guide that process. At the same time, I wanted to create a place where people feel genuinely cared for from the very first moment that they reach out to all the way through their entire treatment with us. From our client care coordinators to our therapists, every step of our client's experience is met with warmth, attention, and real support and healing. At Tennessee Mental Wellness, we carefully select the best therapists for their expertise in specific areas. So whether that's trauma, anxiety, depression, relationships, parenting, or life transitions, we want our clients to work with someone who is deeply trained in the things that our clients are facing and not a generalist who just has to wing it. Expertise really matters. And we invest in ongoing training for our clinical team so that our clients know that they're getting the most up-to-date treatment. Our therapists are not only skilled, but also compassionate, grounded, and committed to helping our clients heal. All of our therapists practice a trauma-informed model of therapy. That means we don't just treat symptoms, we look for the root causes underneath them. We understand that the brain and body hold on to experiences, and that real healing happens when we address what's driving the anxiety, the overwhelm, the shutdown, or the patterns that we feel stuck in. So our therapists use a wide range of evidence-based modalities, things like cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, DBT, ACT, internal family systems, or IFS, somatic therapies, experiential therapies, and we tailor treatment to what our clients need. But one thing all of our therapists have in common is that we are trained in a powerful trauma modality called brain spotting. Brain spotting is a modality that all of our therapists use. It is a trauma modality, and it is an evolution of EMDR, which is a more commonly known modality. But brain spotting is also an evidence-based modality. The way it works is that it uses eye position and focused mindfulness to access the deeper parts of the brain where emotional pain, trauma, and stuck experiences are stored. Brain spotting helps the brain to process and then release those experiences more efficiently and more gently than EMDR, often leading to profound shifts in how people think and feel and relate to others. Clients frequently tell us that it helps them move through things that they've been carrying for years, helping them feel unburdened and cleared of trauma. At Tennessee Mental Wellness, our couples therapists are trained in two modalities that are the gold standard in couples therapy: emotionally focused therapy and the Gottman method. You know, relationships can be really hard, and it's normal to feel stuck, frustrated, or disconnected from the person you love. Maybe you keep having the same arguments over and over, or you've drifted apart and you aren't sure how to reconnect. Or maybe there's been a big breach of trust, or maybe blended family or extended family challenges are threatening to tear you apart. And that's where couples therapy can help. So emotionally focused therapy helps couples understand what's happening beneath the surface, the emotions and the fears and the needs driving those patterns, so that the partners can feel safer and more connected and understood. The Gottman method gives practical, research-based tools to communicate better and reduce conflict and strengthen friendship and intimacy. So these two approaches together really help couples break old cycles and negative patterns, and they help couples have a lot of hope in their future. Couples who feel stuck can really change the dynamics of their relationship with these two approaches. If somebody has come to our website, they might be in a season of pain or confusion or hopelessness. They might feel overwhelmed or burned out or stuck in patterns that they can't break or weighed by things that they've carried for a long time. And I want them to know this, that their pain can be alleviated. Like I said, our brain really knows how to heal. Our job as therapists is to help clients access that innate capacity and to give them tools and guidance and this safe space to do the deep work that leads to real and lasting change. Whether it's about healing trauma or your marriage, at Tennessee Mental Wellness, we are about real healing and lasting change.